Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me an email and they messed up their toolbar, and I finally figured out what they were talking about. He's trying to dock the Smart Fill tool somewhere else. If you will hold down your Control and your Alt key, you can drag this out, and then there's your Smart Fill. But see, it actually went away. I did something wrong. I didn't hold it down long enough. I don't even think we can back up and get it. But what his problem is, it's now gone. So to get that back, the ultimate would be to hit the FA key after you turn Corel off, hold down the FA key, and it'll set everything back to default. But it also changes all your settings, all your duplicate settings and everything. So the safest way to do it is hit this plus key right here and go right here to reset toolbar. Reset toolbar settings, yes. Now if you look, the Smart Fill is back. So the easiest way I've found to do that is don't take anything off your toolbar. Go right here to Tools, Options, Customization, and go down to Commands and type in, and you don't have to type it in. You can actually go over here. Well, go over here. I'm having trouble clicking on it. I'm impatient sometimes. And grab the Smart Fill, and it's going to go to your Smart Fill. Then take it from there and hold down the Control and the alternate, and there you have it. And then when you say, well, you have to tell it okay or to do that for it to stay. But what's safer about this, it's still there. You didn't affect that. Now you can take this, and I have trouble even myself sometimes docking it. You could actually dock it down here and have that, or you could try to like dock it up there, and there it is. So it worked that time. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it gets hidden. Well, that's such a little icon. You can right click, customize, toolbar item, caption right to image. And now you have the Smart Fill tool. So when we want to do this, I want to get the Smart Fill tool, I can click right there. Well, there it is. And, make it whatever color you want. I'm going to go back to RGB, and I'm going to Smart Fill that with red now. So your Smart Fill tool is right there. Instead of having, I like that. I might even keep that up there for myself. And you could dock it down here, but sometimes that's a little bit of a problem, but you still have it right here. But instead of going click, click, because most of the time it's on the interactive fill tool. So you've got to go click down to that. This way, to get that done, all you have to do is click on this and it brings up the Smart Fill tool. Hope that made a little bit of sense. I hope that helped that gentleman, and thank you for watching.